Hey, it's Clay Trader from claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. I will do my best to catch any trades that I make or attempt to get into live on video. Okay, I picked up some shares here at 45.75 on GoPro. Looking to get out for a 10-cent move, or if I can build a bigger position, I will look to do that. And I am out, so there's a quick $30. Let's see if I can catch some more. Sorry about that. I missed my entry at 44.80. We'll look to sell at 45.9, and there I am out. So breakdown here, but just watching level twos. That was totally a level 2 purchase from watching them and seeing how they interact. So I felt good about my 44.80 entry, and it indeed proved to be good for 10 cents. So I'm going to keep trying to trade this. The more and more overextended it gets, the more and more attractive it's going to become for me. So put my next order in at 44.60. Again, if I get filled at 44.60, that's just going to imply that the chart is just that much more overextended. And I'm in, so we'll look to sell at 44.70 or begin to build a bigger position, whichever comes first. So we shall see. Oops, that was from yesterday. Let me get that line out of there. So looking like I'm going to be able to build a bigger position here. Try for some more at 15 if it wants to go back down there. Okay, so I'm in there. Now my average is 44.37. Try to pick some up at 10 if I can get those. Did not get those at 10. Okay, now I'm in at 44.28 is my current average. So I'm starting to build a bigger position, which is what I wanted. And there's even a bigger fall, so need to take advantage of this. Build, get some down here at 69 if I can. Try some at 75. So I got those at 75. Got those at 69. Now my average is 44.05. Try to get some at 53. As you can see, very overextended. So I mean, this thing's got to bounce back. At some point. 44.05 is my magic number. So I'll start to try to scale out at 44.11 and 44.13, just selling out in 100 share lots. So let's see if I can get those. I got some more at, what was that, 53. So now my average is 43.97. See if I can get some more down here at 59. $65 maybe. Try for some up at 70 if I can get those. So I got some more now. My average is 43.95. So if I can break through 44, I should be good. So as you can see, I'm slowly scaling out here. And there I am, all out for a $293 gain on this bounce here. And of course, then it goes up even higher after I've scaled out. But hey, I'll take $293, and let's see if I can catch some more. Now I may be looking to start to build a short position. I am looking to short at 44.45. build an entry position there if it can get up. So let's see. My thought process is this is a dead cat bounce. So I'll look to try to get 10 cents or build a bigger position, whichever comes first. But that is my theory right now. We're just looking at a dead cat bounce and I'm out there. So let's try it again. Try at 55 to start my position all over again if it wants to bounce up there. Again, my thesis is that this is just a dead cat bounce. So we'll see if it can get back up there to 55. Looks like it's trying to make a run at it here. Let's see if that can happen or not. Okay, there we go. Let's see if it can get through 50. Nope, struggling with 50. All right, I will pause it. I'll be back. Okay, getting closer to possibly breaking through 50 there. Definitely stalling, so what I'm going to do is I want to give myself a little bit more leeway. I will go at 65 here to start my initial position, because with a break of 50 now, I'm thinking after watching level 2s that it'll probably shoot up pretty fast. So we'll see if that's indeed the case. I will keep you updated. And there it is rolling back over now, so that pretty much takes away or confirms that this was just indeed a little miniature dead cat bounce. So I'll try to catch some more trades, whether on a GoPro or try to see if anything else pops up on the scanner. All right, okay, that was pure luck. What even happened there? I better check. So rookie mistake there. I forgot to apparently cancel all my orders that were out there. And I ended up getting filled at 43.90, I guess. No. What happened here? Okay, no, I'd have to go back into the history. I don't know, something happened. I don't have time for it right now. But point being, luck worked out on my side this time. But I had an old order out there that I forgot to cancel out, and I got filled, and then I was able to sell for 43.90, and I made, I don't know what it was, like 50 bucks on it. But that was totally luck. So yeah, I guess take it from that. Make sure you always cancel all your orders, and don't leave any pending ones out there, because it can definitely cost you. Like I said, that was absolutely zero skill on my part there. That just happened to be pure luck. But you know, I'll take it. But yeah, friendly reminder: make sure you always cancel all your pending orders out there, so you don't get any surprises like that, because sometimes they can be nasty little surprises. And just something real quick that popped in my head on my previous trade where I kept scaling out with just selling 100 shares at a time. The reason I'm doing that is because I am on a per share fee structure, so it's charging me 0.0045 per share. It's not a per trade, because yeah, obviously all those trades one after another, that would have just killed my profits because of all the commission. So it's a per share payment structure that I'm on, which is at 0.0045, not a per trade. So big difference between per share and per trade. I am on a per share fee structure. So I did want to get that cleared up, because it just dawned on me seeing all those 100 share lots that I kept trading out there. I could see some people saying, wow, he's racking up the trading commissions, but actually it wasn't that much at all, because again, 0.0045 per share. Okay, I have an order in at 42.75, and as I anticipated on the break of, so I'm in on the break of 43, that round number, things just really shot down fast. So let's see if I can get a quick 10 cents or be able to build a bigger position. And there's my quick 10 cents, but I want to keep at it now. Try my next, beginning to build a position at 55. So let's see if it can get down there and fill me. Again, the further and further down I get filled, you know, the better and better entry I get in terms of the chart being overextended to the downside. So like I said, 65 or what, 55, excuse me, will be my next entry point if I can get down there. Actually, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna go bigger size, and I'm gonna go down to 30. So I'm raising up my risk a little bit on my first one, but I really like this entry point, and this comes from the 5-minute chart. Look at that. We have the 200 period simple moving average sloping up here. Right now it's valued at 31, so I'm going to try to go in a little bit bigger at 30 and look for that bounce. Even if it doesn't bounce and goes through it, it's one of those things where usually the price will at least like to back test it, and that's where I'd look to get out then with you know, my shares, but we'll see if it can even get down there. But that is why I adjusted my size of the trade, and then you know, what I'm kind of looking for. So a little change in the strategy, but change in the strategy being defined as, you know, going in with a little bit more size. However, as I just showed, very good technical reason to do so. So we'll see what happens. Video's at 10, so I need to start being very precise here with the trading. So I will get it recording if it looks like I'm going to get filled. Okay, let's see if my 42.30 entry can get hit. So I am now in 500 shares at 42.30. Now let's see if this thing can get at least a little temporary bounce off the moving average here. Well, I got 100 shares of my 500 share attempted sell order. And I have no problem building a bigger position. I mean, look how overextended it is. Like I said, if anything, you know, the price likes to go back and at least retest areas of support. So I can see the 200 period getting at least back tested once. And there I am all out. So nice little bounce there as expected. Got my 10-cent bounce. That's why I went in with 500 shares this time. So made a quick little 50 bucks. And with that, 4:59, it is 10:07 a.m. So 37 minutes in, 4:59. Yeah, a decent start to the morning, especially when it's, you know, July 4th is this Friday. So it's things are relatively slow. I'm actually making sure no pending orders out there. Okay, good. And really, I'm going to pause it because I should still be trading that. Okay, it is now 10:14 a.m. So 7 minutes has passed, and I'm now at 8:62. Sorry I didn't get it, but I think the limit on YouTube is like I think 15 minutes. So I was afraid it'd run out halfway through. But basically, just build a big a short position here, thinking this was a dead cat bounce, and you can see right there. You know, so I was shorting shares. You know, way up here in the 43.15 area. And sure enough, the bear showed up temporarily before it come back down, and I made, I don't know, $300 or something on the trade. Anyways, I really got to wrap this up. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, meaning with candlesticks and charts and then level 2s, I offer courses at claytrader.com. Just go to the training section of the site, and you can see all the courses. They're all very fairly priced. And I also have a trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders. We have a chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter. Everything's very fairly priced, and I'd encourage you to do some research. Look around the internet. You'll see mine is among the cheapest out there. So look into that. And at the end of the day, don't take my word for it. Read some testimonials and you know, just get a good third-party perspective. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something.